Our next animal is a chicken, and a female chicken is called a hen. Repeat after me. Hen. And like cow, hen is used to describe many different female birds, like the duck and the hawk, along with the turkey. The word hen can also be used to describe the female lobster and also the female salmon.